Hey, and welcome to the very windy south of France. We are here in Cassis at the beautiful Domaine de Canet. This is the yoga deck here, and we're going to do a little core workout. So this is a beginner core workout. We're going to start on our backs. The intention for today is quality over quantity, being as mindful to your technique as absolutely possible, because we want to make sure that you get the most out of all of your exercises. So every time you notice, I want you to either look at your tummy when you can, or close your eyes and go for the sensation and learn to re-correct yourself. Every moment you get the chance, treat yourself like you've never done it before. Like every workout is the first time you're doing it, and correct yourself as much as you can. And that's how you become more able to progress faster, because you'll get to know yourself that little bit more. Okay, so coming onto your backs, hugging the knees in towards the chest. I hope that you'll be able to hear me okay, because it is blowing a gale. All right, just hug the knees in. Let's just rock from side to side. We are going to begin with some toe tap variations. Now, if you have struggled in the past with maintaining either a neutral spine or with your tummy connection, then you're going to stay with one foot on the floor. And what I mean by that is every time you breathe out, as you feel your tummy sink towards the floor, like you're pulling on really tight pants, you're going to slowly float one knee to tabletop. Now you can also float the opposite hand. And then you can inhale, control back, and then exhale, reconnect and engage to reach. And then inhale to come back. Otherwise, you're gonna float both knees up to tabletop. From here, let's see if we can just practice our engagement in this position, keeping the spine in neutral. We don't want to press it down. We just want to have it in neutral. And as we inhale wide, we're not inhaling into the belly, remember? And then we exhale, feel the tummy sink. And we're just going to gently tap your toe in a bucket of water, and then inhale to come back. Exhaling to dip the toe in water. Inhaling to come back. Now you might even only go halfway. You want to find that point that just before you lose your connection of your tummy, and then come back. Same thing if your feet are lifting off the floor. All right, so let's go for 6 or 8. Floating that toe up or dipping the toe in the bucket of water, keeping the fingers down towards the feet. Inhale, return. Exhale. Inhale back. Remember, we feel our tummy sink before we make any movement with the leg. Inhale, return. Should feel like a pulling sensation, a tightening feeling through the mid-lower tummy. Inhale back. Fingers lengthening down to the feet. Inhale back. 2 more, belly down. Inhale back. Belly down, inhale back, and then bringing the feet all the way down, interlacing the fingers behind the head. And we're going into some variations of our chest lift. So keeping the feet connected to the floor, we're going to feel like our rib cage is sliding down towards the hips as we put on some tight pants. So I'm wearing my compression shorts, so it already feels like I'm wearing really tight pants, but you know what I mean. So interlace the fingers behind your head, elbows where you can see them. Inhale wide into the ribs. Exhale, feel the belly sinking down, slide the ribs down towards the hips, keeping the elbows in the same position. Now we're going to inhale, reach one arm and cross and tap to the opposite knee, and then inhale back and then come down. Exhale, feel the belly sink. Come up, reach and tap to the opposite knee. Inhale, center and down. Exhale, feel the tummy sink first. Then reach and tap the knee. Inhale, all the way down. Exhale, tummy down, feel the tummy sink. Keep the head heavy in the hands, reach, and then inhale down. Exhale, tummy down, reach. Inhale all the way down. One more. Tummy sink, reaching and twisting. And then inhale all the way down. Now from here we're going into our hundreds. So let's keep our feet down. If you would like a challenge, you can just hover one foot. Breathing in wide into the ribs. Remember, every time we breathe in during our hundreds, we don't want our tummy to raise. We want to keep our tummy connected the entire time, which means it's a shallow breath in wide into the side of the ribs. So inhale, prepare, keep the head heavy in the hands. Exhaling to curl up. Now we're going to inhale, reach the arms forwards, and we're going to pump the hands down. So inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach the fingers towards the toes. Belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need to support your neck, go for it. Belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Curl up a bit more. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's pulse forwards and tap. Breathe out, tap. Feel the tummy sink first and tap. Tummy sink, tap. Tummy sink, tap. 2 more. And hands behind the head, and then all the way down. Nice one. So we're going to go into rocking like a ball, rolling, I should say. And we're going to add a little hold at the top. So holding onto the knees and just gather a little bit of momentum, and you're going to hold at the top. So when you get to the top, see how I go from rounded to sitting up as tall as I can, and I'm staying balanced, and then I'm rounding through, and then I roll, and then sit up tall, round and down, roll, sit up tall, roll down, scoop through the tummy, like so. Okay, now if you find that that's a bit challenging, you can bring your feet completely to the top and bring them onto the floor. So just rock and then come all the way up. But making sure that you're scooping through your tummy and that you're really using your tummy muscles to control the movement. Okay, so we're going to inhale, exhale up. Either up tall or feet on the floor. Inhale, curl, exhale, inhale, exhale. So this uses our tummy to control as we come up. And how many times in your life do you get up off the floor like this? A lot, I reckon. Exhale. Scoot through your tummy. Last one. Okay, now we're going to rock back onto the floor, and we're going into a toe tap single leg stretch variation. So we're going to hug one knee in towards the chest. You're going to hold on with the outside hand, and then the inside hand goes onto the shin, and we're just going to toe tap. So we're going exhale, inhale center, exhale, pull and tap. Inhale, engage the tummy as you pull the leg and tap the toe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now if it's too much with the head up, you can do the same exercise but with the head all the way down, like so. And you should still feel this mid to low tummy, so you're really sinking through the belly as your toe taps. Inhale center, exhale. So either chest lifted or back all the way down. We're going to go for 4 more. Feel like the leg is floating in the air. Pulling the knee in. Every exhale, I re-engage my tummy and my blueberry. Two to go. Re-engage. Inhale, center. Re-engage, exhale. And then bring both feet down. Okay, let's stretch our arms and legs away. Ooh, okay. Placing both feet flat on the floor, supporting your head with your hands, elbows where you can see, or where you can slightly see them, and head heavy. Now as we exhale, we're going to keep one leg straight, and we're going to cross and straighten the leg. Cross, straight. If you want to come all the way down like so, you absolutely can. Actually, let's all just do that. So let's inhale here, exhale, curl up, inhale all the way down. Now if that's too much, having a straight leg, you can just cross and then come down. We're going to go all for the one side. All right, so either straight leg or bent leg. Exhale to cross, inhale all the way down, leg or foot. Engage the belly, exhale to twist, inhale all the way down. Exhale to twist, inhale all the way down. Exhale, inhale. Last one, exhale, inhale. Other side. So either legs straight or keeping it bent. Exhale to twist, inhale down. Engage the belly to cross, inhale all the way down. Engage the belly, inhale all the way down. Exhale to cross, inhale all the way down. Exhale, inhale down. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, cross, inhale down. Exhale, last one, inhale down. Awesome, so let's do one more round of hundreds and then we'll do a little stretch. So reaching the hands forwards. This time we're going to pulse a little bit quicker. If you need to support your head, you can. Really reaching those fingers to the toes. Off we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tummy down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tummy down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tummy down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tummy down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Belly down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's pulse for 5. Belly down, 4. Belly down, 3. Belly down, 2. Belly down, 1. Stretching the arms and legs away. Feel good. Have the hands just slightly by the sides. Let's just do some side to side twists. So this movement comes all from the tummy. As we inhale, we're going to let the knees gently drop down to one side. So we're allowing like a lengthening and a twisting to happen through the waistline. Now when we get here, we're going to re-engage our tummy. Exhale, use your tummy muscles to bring those legs back to center. And then inhale, gently lengthen the knees away from the body, keeping both shoulders glued to the floor. And then exhale, use the tummy re-engage to come back to center. Inhaling, letting those knees drop down to one side. And then exhale, re-engage the tummy, slowly coming back to center. Inhaling to reach and extend those knees. Exhale, re-engaging the tummy, coming back. If you want to make it a bit more challenging, you can bring your knees up. So inhaling as far as you can control and keep the shoulders down. And then exhale, re-engaging, coming back to center. Inhaling to lengthen those knees away from the body. Exhale, use the tummy to come back to center. Last one. Inhaling, dropping the knees. So the knees are going downwards away from the body. Exhale, back to center. Last one. Reaching and exhaling, coming back to center. And then just hugging those knees in, rocking from side to side. So I hope that you felt like you were able to, see, we just did a rock to come up, that you were able to recorrect yourself in moments that you found that your technique sort of went a little bit off. Okay, now remember, your core work for best results is 3 times or more per week. Okay, I mean, there's going to be some of the exercises, if you're doing our spring challenge, where there's a lot of core involved with the total body workouts anyway. But if you have any questions, feel free to book in a private call with me and we can go through some program structure together. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the beautiful scenery here in the south of France, and I'll see you in our next video. Ciao.